Olis Connect is really easy to set up. I just finished installing all the hardware and I'm going to log into the robot for the first time. First, you're going to need the IP address of your Olis Connect, and that's available on the UR pendant on the Olis Teleop UR cap. So I've entered that IP address in my browser, and now I'm able to monitor my robot. Then I can click Operate, and this is where I can run programs or control the robot manually using teleoperation. But in this case, I'm going to show you how to add your Olis Connect in your robot to a VPN such that you can access it from anywhere. So we're using a VPN solution called Tailscale. So you'll have to download it on your device. And I've already done that on this machine. And you can see in the Tailscale portal, my Windows machine is already on the VPN, and so is my phone. And so now it's time to add the Olis Connect. So I'm going to go to Settings, Auth Keys, and generate a one-off key. I can then copy this, and I go back to the Olis Connect. I go to the hamburger menu and Setup, and I paste in the auth key here and hit Connect. Alright, so now the Olis Connect is connected to the Tailscale VPN. And on my Windows machine, I can go to the System tray and right-click on Tailscale, go to Network Devices, My Devices, and click on Olis Connect 002. That copies the new IP address to my clipboard. I can then paste that into Google Chrome. And using this IP address, I can access the robot from anywhere. So I'll take control again from here. And so now I can run programs, do teleoperation from any network. But let's say I want to give someone else access to the robot to help me solve a tricky problem. I'm going to go back to the Tailscale portal, back to Machines, and then on the Olis Connect row, I'm going to go to the Options, and I'm going to say Share this machine. I can now create a link, and I can send this to someone to give them access to this Olis Connect. And then down here, I can see the different users that have access to this Olis Connect, and I can revoke them or send them a link again. So that's how you get your Olis Connect on a VPN such that you can access it remotely and let other people access it. And that's going to help you keep your robot working more.